First step for PLL, which is solving the corners. This is the first case. The first case is headlights case, and the headlights is on the left, and you do the algorithm. You take out the pair like that, then you put it back with the sledgehammer like this. Then you move this up instead of doing this. Then you put it in like that. Then you move this away like that. Then you move it in. Then you solved all the corners. Second case, which is called diagonal swap or the no headlights case. You can do it in any angle. So you just swap these two corners. And you do this algorithm. F, R, U, R prime. Put it in. Then do a U prime. Then put it in again. Then do R, U, R prime. Then insert it with sledgehammer. Second step for Look PLL, which is solving the whole key. So the thing you have to do here is you have to see that if red is going here, and it is, so it is the right cycle case. So let's do it. R, U, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. So this is the left cycle case. It goes like this. The blue goes in here, and it doesn't go in here because the orange can't go here. So it's the left cycle case. So you do R2, then move it here, then move it like that. Then down, move this back, down, move this back, down, then move it back. Checkerboard pattern case, and it requires a slice move called M prime. And the way you recognize it is just that nothing matches and everything's opposite of each other. Like orange is opposite this and green is opposite that. So yeah. Then you do M2, then U, then M2, like this, then U2, then M2, like this, then U, then M2 again. The way you do the case is by saying these two flip, or these two flip, either way. It's just that you can't do this. So you do M, then this, then you M2, then this again, then M2, then move it here, then move it twice so it can solve it, then move it down. You do the left side of that case. This was the right, so now we're doing left. So you do M prime, U, M prime twice, then U, then it's opposite, so you do that. Then you make another opposite like that. Then you fix the opposite. Then you do M2.